It's your girl Jazz, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, you guys, it's a self-care day, okay? I'm just gonna say that it is a self-care day. Today is Saturday, and I'm just feeling a little extra, I guess some people might say. So in today's video, I have all of my little things down here, and I know you guys are looking at this blender like, why does she have a blender in her video? She ain't never got no blender in her video. Well, today I will be doing a DIY hair mask that I seen on Cardi B's TikTok. I was like, I've never done a hair mask before in my house. I've never done one at a salon. I've never done any type of hair mask. You know what I'm saying? I deep condition and keep it going. So today, you and I are going to go on this journey together for the first time. And we're going to make this mask today, okay? This is going to be a part 1 and part 2 video. Today, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do to make the mask, and I'm going to refrigerate it. And then in my next video, you guys will see how I apply this mask to my hair. So if you guys are excited about this hair mask that I got off of Cardi B's TikTok, make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Hit that post notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post. And we're just gonna get right into it after you follow me on the gram, okay? Let's go. So what I will be working with today, I have everything here. I have my 2 eggs because I'm using 2 eggs because I got a big ass head, so I need 2 of these. And I have 1 avocado, Miracle Whip, because we don't use real mayonnaise around here, and Jamaican black castor oil. This is my favorite oil to use in my head. My husband also uses it in his head. So you guys can use any type of oil that you guys would like to use, or coconut, olive oil, whatever it is you guys use in your head. This is what I'm using today. And we're just gonna get straight into it. So first, make sure you got a clean blender and clean hands. 1 second. So now that my hands are clean, and I already washed out my blender before the video, so we're gonna get right into this. Whew. 1 second. I ain't keep. Oh no. Oh, I want to show you guys my little baby bump so far. Yes, I do have on boxes right now because the girl ain't got time for that, okay? But so far, anyways, we're gonna get right into this, and I think I'm just gonna angle the camera to where you guys can just see what I'm doing, because y'all don't have to look at me. You're just trying to see what I'm doing, okay? So as I was telling you guys, I have 2 eggs. So we're gonna go ahead and crack these eggs and put them in here. No shell, just the egg. So we have the 2 eggs in here. And then I'm just gonna go straight in with the mayonnaise. I'm really eyeballing this, so yeah, we're just gonna eyeball this and try to make it the consistency that we want it to be. So I'm just gonna start off with, y'all guys see my spoon, a tablespoon. I'm just gonna get like 2 tablespoons right now. Put that in here. All right. Now, this is literally my first time ever using avocado for anything. I'm not an avocado person, and no, I don't really eat guacamole or anything like that. So don't butcher me for how I'm peeling this, because I just don't know how this goes. So we're just gonna do this the best way we can. That's why I said wash your hands, because it's getting a little messy over here. Yeah, so we're just gonna put this in here without the seed. just put all of this right here and it's not that much of a mess. So I'm gonna go wash my hands and then we're gonna get into the oil. Alright, so like I said, I'm gonna go in with the Jamaican black castor oil. This is really everything that she used in, let me show you guys my face for a bit. Alright, so this is everything that Cardi B used in her hair mask that she says she uses on her hair, including Jamaican black castor oil. But like I said, you can use any type of oil that you guys like. This is literally just, it just happens to be the oil that I use as well in my hair, so that's what we're going with. And I'm just gonna pour it in here. Pour a little razzle dazzle. I just sprinkle it, eyeballing it, like I said. So we have the 2 eggs in here. We have the avocado in here, and we have the mayonnaise in here, and the oil. So what we're gonna do is we are going to blend it. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop. It looks pretty blended to me. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me show you guys. Yeah, it looks pretty blended to me, and like I said, I think the 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise did it justice because it's like a thick paste, which is what a mask is. But I'm just gonna swish it around and then go back in a little bit more. Alright, so I think this is blended enough. What I am going to do is rinse my spoon, and I'm just going to stir it just to make sure everything is well blended, because I don't want clumps in my hair when I'm trying to rinse this out. So I'm gonna rinse this off. Just to make sure it's good. And you guys see the consistency. Yeah, so it's not majorly thick like paste, and it's not soupy, which the eggs will make it soupy if you don't put enough mayonnaise in it. So make sure you guys are putting enough mayonnaise in it. And like I said, this is gonna be like a 2-part video, so this right here is the first part. And I have a bowl with a tight lid that I'm going to put this in so that I can use this mask for my second part of my video. And I also have another bowl which I'm going to tell you guys about in a second. But first, let me turn this lighting down so you guys can see. Yeah, so first I'm just gonna pour this in here. You guys see that? I'm really getting excited about this the more that I do it, because I've never done this before, and I hear that it's really great for your hair. Growing up, I've only heard about eggs and mayonnaise for your hair. So the fact that people are making masks and stuff now is like amazing. And I'm all for it. I'm trying to make sure I get all of this out of here. So this is how much it made. It's a pretty good amount. And like I said, I used 2 eggs because, let me put myself back in the camera. You guys can't see. So like I said, I put 2 eggs in here, and it's a really good amount. So a really good amount, and it's not clumpy, which is what I didn't want it clumpy because I don't want clumps in my hair, like I said. Yeah, so this will be very good for tomorrow. And like I said, I'm gonna refrigerate it just to make sure that it stays like it needs to. You guys can go ahead and put it straight on your hair, but as you can see, I have a wig on right now, and under this wig I got some braids that's been under here. I'm not even gonna cap. probably like 2.5 months, okay? And it's time for me to treat my hair. You gotta keep your hair healthy under the wig, okay? Because what's the point? A wig is just a protective hairstyle, so you still have to take care of your hair under it, and that's what I'm going to be doing with you guys. So I have this in my little airtight package. I'm going to rinse this out after, but for right now, I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be doing with this other bowl. So in my second video, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys can see the second part of this video when I post it. I will be doing my hair mask, but I'm also going to be doing a rice water treatment as well, which is something else I haven't done before. I wanted to do a little research on it before I actually did it. So I'm gonna get my rice. And with the rice water, they say it's best for you to let the water sit for 24 to 48 hours, which is the best. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and make my rice water right now. Don't be all up in my cabinet. Don't be all up in my cabinet. But, so I have my rice. This is just some regular schmegler white rice. We eat rice around here, so we always got rice. And I'm just gonna put it in this bowl, you guys. I've seen a lot of ladies put it in like a mason jar with a tight seal, but my mason jar, I don't know what happened to the top of it, so we just gonna leave it at that. As long as it's sealed tight, it should work. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna put some rice in here. I ain't gonna use all my rice. Yeah, just some rice. It really doesn't matter how much you put in here. It's really the water, the amount of water that you put in here. That's what matters, because that's what you're gonna be using on your hair. And me personally, I think I'm going to transfer my rice water to my spray bottle when I get ready to actually do the treatment in my hair. So we're just gonna put some water in here and we're gonna let this sit. All right, so I have my rice water in here and I have my tightly sealed lid. This I'm going to let sit. Nothing coming out of here, you guys. So it's tightly sealed and woo. You guys like my necklace? 1996, baby. Yeah, so you can immediately see that the water is already turning white, basically. My water was not white when I put it up in her. I got clean water over here. So it's already turning the color white, which means it's already working. Some people actually put it in their hair like this, but like I said, it's better for you to let the water sit for 24 to 48 hours. So that is going to be the end of this video. I have my avocado and I have my rice water, and I just can't wait to use this tomorrow. Tonight I will be taking my braids out and detangling and all of that good jazz, and we will come back when we get ready to use this mask that we made together. Make sure you guys comment down below what you use in your hair mask, what kind of oils or fruits or anything of that nature that you guys use, because I would love to try it out. This is just one that I saw that I really wanted to try. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video and subscribe. And I hope you're feeling your girl jazz. Bye.